sometimes I go to open mics. Some of them are more focused on the singer-songwriter type. And maybe they'll give you a prompt. They might say, here's a word, a phrase, a sentence, maybe just a concept. Come back next month and play for us and sing the song you wrote based on the prompt. So this is the results of, that's what happens when these things go. So this is called Needle Phobia, and tonight, this afternoon, I dedicate this to all the healthcare professionals in the room, because I am a sufferer of needle phobia. They call it needle phobia, the breeze can make me cringe. I can't stand the sight of any needle or syringe. No, I don't have a problem with cuts or broken bones. But you can leave them jabbers on the shelf, or I'm in my danger zone. You see, I might sweat, I might faint, maybe even worse. Yes, I'm truly terrified, 'cause needle phobia is my curse. Well, once I gave a pint of blood for a friend I used to know. I got a juice box and a cookie and hours of vertigo. This condition causes me to blurt my fantasies out loud. The phlebotomist was not amused, nor was she aroused. See, I might sweat, I might faint, maybe even worse. Yes, I'm truly terrified. Needle phobia is my curse. Can we change the subject? 'Cause I am feeling sick. I'd rather talk about religion or even politics. Don't mention hypodermics, 'cause there's no turning back. I might hyperventilate or have a heart attack. Oh, I might sweat, I might faint, maybe even worse. I'm truly terrified. Needle phobia is my curse.